Introduction. The automotive world is changing fast, and one car leading this revolution is the Tesla Model Y. This electric SUV has become one of the most popular and best-selling EVs worldwide. Its combination of modern design, advanced technology, long range, powerful performance, and affordable running costs makes it a top choice for families, professionals, and car enthusiasts. In today's video, we will explore the complete information, main features, and powerful benefits of the Tesla Model Y, and why it is a smart choice for anyone planning to buy a new car. Let's get started. 1. Stunning modern design. The Tesla Model Y is designed with a futuristic mindset. Its exterior looks clean, smooth, and aerodynamic, giving the car a premium and modern appearance. Key design elements include a full panoramic glass roof that brings light into the cabin, LED headlights and taillights with a sharp look, minimalist front design with no traditional grille, stylish flush door handles, 19-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels, a practical power liftgate. Thanks to its aerodynamic body, the car gets better efficiency and longer range, making every drive smoother and quieter. 2. Impressive battery range and efficient charging. This is one of the biggest strengths of the Tesla Model Y. Tesla offers different models with different ranges, but all of them give great performance. Range estimates. Long range AWD around 310-330 miles, approximately 500 plus km. Performance model around 280-303 miles. With these numbers, you can travel long distances without worrying about charging frequently. Fast charging advantage. Tesla's supercharger network is a game changer. You can charge the car 10% to 80% in just 25-30 minutes. Home charging gives around 40-48 kilometers of range per hour. This makes daily driving extremely convenient and long trips stress-free. 3. Powerful performance. The Tesla Model Y isn't just efficient, it's fast and exciting to drive. With electric motors, you get instant torque and super smooth acceleration. Performance highlights. 0-100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Performance model. Extremely stable all-wheel drive system. Smooth, silent driving experience. Instant response when you press the accelerator. Great handling and traction even in rain or snow. This makes the Model Y feel like a sports car disguised as an SUV. 4. Luxury interior and comfort. Step inside the Model Y and you'll feel like you've entered the future. Interior highlights. Minimalist, modern cabin design. Large 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything. Premium synthetic leather seats. Heated front and rear seats. Heated steering wheel. Optional third row seats. 7-seat version. Huge cargo space for luggage and travel. A giant panoramic glass roof that gives a beautiful open-air feel. The interior is clean, spacious, and extremely comfortable for long rides. 5. Advanced technology and smart features. Tesla is known for pushing the limits of automotive technology, and the Model Y is full of futuristic features. Tech features include Tesla Autopilot, FSD-ready hardware for future updates, adaptive cruise control, auto lane keeping, voice command system, over-the-air software updates, navigation with live traffic, Tesla arcade games, apps like Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, built into the car. The best part? Your car keeps improving over time with new features added through software updates. 6. World-class safety. Tesla places massive importance on safety, and the Model Y is proof of that. Safety features. 5-star safety rating. Strong structure with excellent crash protection. 8 external cameras for 360 degrees visibility. Automatic emergency braking. Forward collision warning. Blind spot detection. Rollover prevention. Very low center of gravity due to battery placement. This makes it one of the safest SUVs on the road today, perfect for families and daily use. 7. Low maintenance and cost savings. Tesla Model Y is not just premium, it is economical as well. Cost advantages. No petrol or diesel. Lower running cost. Almost no maintenance. No oil changes. Very few moving parts. Government incentives and tax benefits in many countries. Over time, Tesla cars help you save thousands of dollars compared to fuel-powered vehicles. 8. Environment-friendly choice. If you want to contribute to a greener planet, the Model Y is a great way to start. Zero emissions, clean energy, reduced carbon footprint, Quiet, peaceful driving. You get performance and comfort without harming the environment. 9. Why people love the Tesla Model Y. The reason the Tesla Model Y has become a global favorite is simple. It brings style, efficiency, power, technology, safety, comfort, low running cost. And above all, it represents the future of driving. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a family person, or someone who wants a stylish premium car, the Model Y delivers on all fronts. Conclusion. So, is the Tesla Model Y worth buying?